Tesla has issued a recall of its full self-driving (FSD) software, a system that is designed to provide advanced driver assistance to its vehicles. Federal safety regulators had raised concerns that the FSD software could cause vehicles to act unsafely around intersections, potentially leading to accidents. The recall affects a number of models, including 2016 to 2023 Model S, Model X, 2017 to 2023 Model 3, and 2020 to 2023 Model Y vehicles that are equipped with full self-driving beta (FSD beta) software or are awaiting installation of the system. The recall could affect as many as 362,758 vehicles, according to a notice posted on the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's (NHTSA) website. Tesla has said that it will issue an over-the-air software update free of charge to correct the issue. The FSD software is designed to offer a number of automated driving features, but it still requires the driver to be alert and ready to take control of the vehicle at all times. The system is intended to be able to recognize and react to traffic lights and stop signs, as well as to steer the vehicle on city streets. It also includes the summon parking feature and navigate on autopilot, which can guide a car from a highway on-ramp to an off-ramp, including interchanges and lane changes. However, according to the NHTSA, the FSD beta system may cause vehicles to act unsafely around intersections, such as traveling straight through an intersection while in a turn-only lane or entering a stop sign-controlled intersection without coming to a complete stop. The system may also fail to respond adequately to changes in posted speed limits, and not account for the driver's adjustment of the vehicle's speed to exceed posted speed limits. The issue was discovered during the NHTSA's engineering analysis and testing of the system. While Tesla vehicles come with a driver assistance system known as Autopilot, customers can pay an additional $15,000 for FSD, which promises to offer full autonomous driving capabilities. However, the FSD system is still in beta testing and has been the subject of controversy, attracting scrutiny from regulators. The NHTSA previously launched an investigation into Tesla's Autopilot and associated vehicle systems, which remains open and active. In January, Tesla disclosed that the U.S. Department of Justice had requested documents related to its branded full self-driving and Autopilot advanced driver assistance systems. The DOJ's request is part of an ongoing investigation into the safety and efficacy of Tesla's autonomous driving technology. The recall seeks to repair defects identified by the NHTSA, but it does not address the full scope of the agency's investigation into Tesla's Autopilot and associated vehicle systems. The NHTSA has advised Tesla that it had identified potential concerns related to certain operational characteristics of FSD beta in specific roadway environments. Tesla has met with the NHTSA to discuss the agency's concerns and its proposed over-the-air improvements in response. The agency has stated that it will continue to monitor the recall remedies for effectiveness. The safety of autonomous driving systems remains an important issue, and it is likely that we will see continued scrutiny and investigation by regulators as these systems become more prevalent on the roads.